Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Royal 10 typewriter right here. It's in for a budget, get it going job. And it is stiff and sticky, so we're going to primarily on this video take care of this carriage that's just squeaking and grinding as you move it side to side. I didn't think it was bound up, but it's acting pretty weird right now. But we're going to start with flushing all the pivots and moving parts off on this. Let's see if we can do this on camera. It's a little tricky, but let's give it a shot here. So there are some, the Royal 10 in particular, it's got these wheels right here and here that need to turn, but it also has, of course, the rails here, and I think that's probably it. But on the Royals, they also have to turn the mainspring here, which also turns the shaft that goes up here to the ribbon drive. So when this turns, that's what moves the ribbon. So all this stuff turns when the carriage is moving. So I am just going to start with flushing these out. They're dry as could be, for sure. Well, first thing I'm going to do is a little pre-protection here. I want to spray this area here with some oil. Same thing on the other side, because I'm going to be using lacquer thinner, and if it splashes and spills, I just want a little bit of protection on some nearby parts that might get splashed with lacquer thinner. So I'm going to just start with these wheels up here, and I'm going to put some right on there and just manipulate this. It's already gotten a little better at those wheels. You can already tell that's part of the problem. Next thing is I'm going to go right down here, these bearings and star wheels down here, run that through, and spin it around and do the other side. Let's get it down inside there. Oh boy, it's a heavy machine. I did notice this arm is sticking too, so a little bit on there. I'll redo these wheels up here. I'm going to hit this stuff with a little bit of air. Knock it through. Like that. And let's knock this through. And I'm going to redo it again. So this is probably the third flush here. Let's do this rail. And then when I'm over here, I'm going to go down here into the mainspring area right here and get these pivots on both sides, and flush them through, and see if I can reach the pivots for the ribbon underneath here. Oops, so this thing turns this shaft right here. It's way in there, you can't see it, but it's got a couple pivot points, and there's another one way up in here. You just want to make sure I flush all the oil out of there. This lacquer thinner. And while I got it on its back, I'm going to hit it with the air. Like that. And I'm going to actually do it again here. Like that. Let's flip it up and hit these spots again before they dry out. So hit those spots again. Make sure they stay. Make sure this is gone. Make sure this is okay. I'm going to hit these all with just a little more lacquer. And with a little more air. Now I'm going to spray this stuff in there, which is this MG401 neutral. It's got mostly degreaser cleaner, but it's got a hint of oil. Does not take much to coat these. I'll go right down the shaft here. The rail. Again, I'm going to run it. Spin it around and the mainspring up here. This stuff. Carriage there. Set these from the side a little bit. Now we're going to hit those spots underneath here that I was aiming at in there. So that one's down there. This one's up here. Let's move the carriage a little bit. I can see where it's moving that way. Okay. Let's knock those excess off with some air. Like that. We're going to knock the excess off with the air here. Down here. And the mainspring. So everything's been flushed a little bit. This arm here. I think that's more of a bind right here than anything. But let's see how this works now compared to before. Well, you probably couldn't hear it or feel it, but it's a lot better. Slide it all the way over. Yeah, that's nice and smooth. So, just all those spots had to be reworked, and the carriage is back happy again. All right, step one is getting the carriage moving. All right. Typewriter. Good day.